Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdulrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about backpack and some echo soundproof, I guess. So I got this kind of stuff on Postal because I ordered them online. So here we got them. So we're gonna just start with this backpack here, which I ordered it. Since you know my backpack has a problem, if you don't know about that, well, some of you guys know that, but some of you don't. So if you don't know about that, well, I ordered a backpack online because I get problem with my backpack since it wasn't that much vibrance. So I like this packaging. What they did, they made sure that everything is actually great and it's just nice. So I just can't wait to open it. So here we have it. Such a nice thing. So we got a letter here, a letter. So it states this: Dear Abdurrahim Sadiq, may the joy and happiness around you today and always. Best wishes, Lisa. Lisa, I appreciate it for the backpack. You actually made my day entirely of deep inside my heart. It's really captured me in different aspects. I just don't know what to say, but I'll really keep it there. I'll just stick it somewhere there. Whenever I look at it, I remember that Lisa, you did something amazing, incredible. I just can't tear it, but I can keep it as a memory. And another kind of stuff here, we have it. It's our backpack. Woo, this is nice. Just look at it. It's something which is great. I love about this backpack is just that it has lots and lots of partitions. And the thing about this kind of backpack, whenever you're opening it up, like you see guys, you get bunch of partitions inside. First of all, you got the PC, you got the tablet, you got the books, you got a lot of things here you can keep around. I think it's something which is so naive, having this type of a backpack. Instead of me having that one, it's much better having this one. So I give it go actually for this type of backpack. So Lisa, thank you so much. I don't know what to say, but the only thing is just be blessed, keep up the good work, do what you gotta do to make it happen. And another kind of stuff, we got another kind of amazing stuff, which is the echo, which we have here. It's an echo soundproof. So on this kind of echo soundproof, I get problem with my sound. Like right now I'm not shooting the video using a microphone, I'm just using the microphone directly from the camera. So if you don't know about that, I'm usually using the Sony X100 Mark III. Still I'm using the 2013 camera. And this is what we have today. So this is what's gonna help us eliminate bunch of echo. So let me just share with you guys. I hope you came along lots and lots of studios and you saw it. They're calling it the soundproof. So we just have to tear it with a knife here, but gently, so as you can ruin it up. So there we have it. This is marvelous. So this is naive. This is good. This is good. Let me see from this side how it looks like. Perhaps I'm the one seeing it in a different perspective, but I think it's the one. Or did they mess around and give me something different? I don't know, but yeah, it's the one 100%. So this is soundproof. I ordered it. As you can see guys, like what we have here, these stuffs, they eliminate sound. If I keep it this way with my camera and I'm start talking with you guys, you can hear me clearly. This is what the soundproof helps you throughout your videos. So I hope some of you guys enjoyed on this video. It's just that I'm sharing with you guys what we got, and it's such a sweet thing. You can see how many we got there, and you can see how many we have. It's ton of them. Shout out to you, bro, whoever sent me this echo soundproof. We actually bought it online, so he sent to us. We're supposed to appreciate that. So thank you guys for watching. We love this video today. Make sure that you just keep on creating your great and amazing content, no matter what. If it's a weekly, it's a daily, just keep on doing it. Stop making excuses and make things happen. So that's what's up. So I'll be catching you guys on the next video, and I ordered some amazing gadgets. They're coming, and whenever they're coming, we'll be dropping another amazing great tech video. and you're gonna enjoy on that kind of video. And take care, bro. I'm gonna see you in the next video. So yeah, peace.